Bururi wa Kenya niunyitaniire na mabururi maria mangi thĩ yothe gukunguira muthe wa maithe. Kaunti-ini ya Naikuru makiria ma maithe ngiri imwe kuma Parish-ini 32 cia Gatoreki ni magomanire gukunguira muthe uyu kanitha-ini wa Gatoreki wa St Mary's mwena wa Kabarnet kaunti-ini. Mehubete thuti njiro ni makirie mishumaa ya kuonania nio utheri wa family ciao udumwe na utheri wa thĩ yothe.
We are lifting up our lights, want to be good examples, and we are setting the examples as the Catholic men, and we wish all the other men would follow.
Akiaria hindi ya kigomano giki muthikabu wa Parish ya Eldama Ravine Francis Mugo niugite bata wa kigomano giki ni gwikira na hinya kimuturire guku akiuria maithe mothe kunyitirira family ciao kuona nio ituge cia micii na thĩ yothe.
We are the breadwinners of our family, and sometimes as men we are abducting this duty, or rather this role, and we leave to women. And the women, they have a lot of roles in our families. We are encouraging our men and asking them today is that let us go back to our family and we take up our role and our responsibilities as men.
Ihinda-inĩ riu muikarĩri gĩtĩ wa gĩkundi kĩa athuri ya kanitha wa Gatoreki diocese-ini ya Naikuru niũrĩtie athuri othe gukorwo mabaruthi ya thayu na kuhunjia guothe bũrũri-inĩ nĩguo mũingĩ ũikaranie na ũrũmwe.
So our appeal to the fathers also is to be responsible. We know in the society, fathers, most of them are what I call the deadbeat fathers. We want to appeal to all the fathers. Let us be responsible. Let us follow Jesus. Let us be good examples to our children.